3, 2, 1. You're on.
This is called iLexi. Remember last night? iLexi is correct today. Follow me, everyone.
Let's do it.
Everyone skip. This is the mom sleeping.
There she is. Let's get a close-up. There's Mom sleeping.
And here is Steiner.
There's Steiner.
Let me show you what other dogs. Here's the Mason Webby.
There's Webby.
Here's back. And here's my mom's box.
Ooh. Okay.
Skip over the pond. This is, and this is the Lexi show. Oops, hold on. There's a bug.
Let's see. Oh, there's the bug.
Right this way. Let's see if we can see the ladybug. Today, follow right over here. Today, you can see the amazing ladybug.
Let's see.
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
And here is the hummingbird. Tweet, tweet. Follow me. Look at this show. Anything? Follow me.
Oh, there she is.
Here is a fish. Oh, look at that other fish. Oh, puppy. Look at Fleck is in the barrels.
Think he's in there?
Yep. And there is the other fishy. And let's see. Follow me.
There's Molly.
Follow me.
Okay.
See the way. Who likes to see? Watch this. I'm opening up my kitty brew. Wow, yummy kitties. Dummy kitties. I'm sweeping up my dummy kitties. Thank you.
Okay, you ready to sign off?
Nope.
It's time to sign off, Sweet Pea.
One more time. There's one more thing. And here's the baby puppy when he was born.
Who is that little girl holding that puppy?
Me.
Okay.
And that Sabre clear one. And good night for tonight. I'll see you in other morning.
Okay. Bye, world.
Take clear.